Hi, welcome back to the shop. Today I'm doing a short video on some cookie molds because it's getting to be Easter soon, and my sister called up and saw some cookies online that she wants to make, and they seem to require packing the cookie into a mold to leave a little pattern on the top of it, and then powdered sugar and stuff. And they look really delicious, and she's promised me that I can have some cookies if I'll make her these molds. So I'm not going to go too much into depth on them. I think it's pretty obvious how I did them. This is not an unplugged project, so I used what I felt was necessary in order to replicate the molds that she wanted. I used a core box bit in a router table. That's a power tool. And I used the bandsaw to cut out the shape of the paddle, power tool. And I used my upright sander to clean up the edges, but I didn't spend a lot of time on that in the video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you get something out of it. Maybe you'll make something similar to it, maybe a different shape. The first one was elongated, sort of like a hot dog shape, cut in half. And the other one was just a semicircle. So the semicircle, wanting it to be in a square block, I mounted that on the lathe and another power tool, and I turned the hollow and then carved the grooves in it for giving the pattern when the cookie is packed into them.
jump while I'm done. One got to and who's gonna take me on a ride away?
Hope you enjoy it. Have a happy Easter, safe holiday. Everybody stay safe, and see you back in the shop soon.